Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Riflescope. Hunt using a high-end 1920 by 1080 HD sensor that provides the full color clarity during daylight hours. Simply press the left button to switch to night mode with traditional emerald or black and white options for viewing. Sightmark presents its brand new, modern and flexible digital riflescope, the ideal scope for night and daytime use. High-resolution Wraith is built for hunting in all conditions, including predator, hog or even deer. Make your riflescope your own with 10 reticle options as well as 9 colors to meet your requirements. 4.5 hours on battery power when using 4 AA batteries, along with an extra micro USB port expands options to power. The added features include a color mode for shooting during the day, black and white or classic green, and is equipped with a 850 nanometers removable IR illuminator with a detection distance that extends to 200 meters. The Wraith HD has a strong 850 nanometers portable IR flashlight, which can give you up to 200 yards of nighttime detection. The Weaver rail on the Wraith HD lets you add more accessories. Micro USB allows photo/video export and an outboard power source. Micro memory card slot. Memory card lets you record videos and images and to update firmware. Simple menu operations with simple button mapping. The interface for users on Wraith HD is extremely easy to navigate, so you can ensure that all settings are set exactly. Our second best night vision scope is BESTSIGHT DIY Digital Night Vision Scope. BESTSIGHT DIY Night Vision is the outstanding business in the high-performance optics sector. It's a compact rear-mounted night vision upgrade that lets you quickly and easily transform your day-to-night scope into an advanced night vision rifle scope that can be used for long and close-range hunting at night or daytime. There is no need to dedicate a rifle exclusively to night vision, as it's the BESTSIGHT DIY Night Vision provides a high-technology solution. Attach it to the rear of your scope and it will instantly making it night vision. BESTSIGHT camera uses 3MP and a 16mm HD lens, and his images are captured by CMOS image sensors. When the image becomes blurred by the lens, it could be rotated in order to adjust to focus till the picture appears clear. BESTSIGHT IR uses 5 watts 850 nanometers laser IR that has a larger zoom area. Additionally, IR can zoom into and out to create the most of the darkness use. BESTSIGHT uses 5-inch larger LCD screen with high-resolution 720p images. A larger screen makes it easier and more clear for the view even in total darkness. The BESTSIGHT camera sleeves are installed quickly, which allows users to finish the installation in just 10 seconds with no tools. The easiest installation and adjustment is be aware of the location that the iron ring as well as the plastic ring. Third in our list is ATTN XSite Riflescope. The XSite 4K Pro represents the most recent technology from the same company that introduced this digital hunting experience. The XSite seamlessly blends modern technology and the traditional scope design to give you the most advanced of both. It is powered by a dual-core processor with a low-light 4K camera. The XSite 4K Pro provides unbeatable image quality with the most recent smart features you have been accustomed to in an ATTN scope. The XSite 4K looks and feels exactly like your older optic. The standard mounting rings. Long eye relief. High resolution and speedy viewing. There is no pixelation when you zoom. Under the hood, it's pure power. You'll be glad you did the experience. The data is sent directly to the ballistics calculation through Bluetooth to adjust the POI for your reticle. Make use of the profile manager in your scope, and move between platforms, and remain at the 0. A robust, long-range illumination system with an adjustable mount that is ideal for hunting and search and rescue use. ATTN Power Kit gives you plenty of juice when and wherever you'll need it. The kit can provide up to 22 hours of continuous usage. It has a built-in calculator for ballistics that allows you to create 6 profiles. Take into account distance, angle to the target, temperature, humidity, and more to ensure the perfect shooting every time. For detail, number 4 in our best night vision scope list is ATTN Thor 4 Thermal Riflescope. It's the next generation of thermal sensors are available and are powered with the ATTN's Obsidian 4 dual core. More sensitive to thermal radiation, higher contrasts, nearly silent shutter and increased resolution make the brand new ATTN THOR4 Smart Thermal Riflescope the perfect sight you must own. Simple to use and easy to master, it comes equipped with all the features you've come to anticipate with the ATTN Smart Scope. The THOR4 appears and feels exactly like a traditional optic. The standard mounting rings. Long eye relief. Easy to recognize thermal characteristics of hidden targets as well as fast watching. But underneath it's pure power. Make sure that your shot hits your targets every single time. Range and wind. Multiple weapon profiles and angle to target temperature, humidity and many more. This tool helps you find the exact ballistics for long-range shots that are accurate. THOR4 does not just stream video to your smartphone in HD resolution, but also allows you to simultaneously record the SD card within. Recoil-activated video takes care of all your concerns. Simply relax and concentrate on your game, and relax and let Obsidian Core do the heavy lifting. Our last pick is ATTN Thor LT Thermal Riflescope. If you've ever thought of purchasing a thermal scope, you're likely to be wondering why they're priced so high. The TH or LT series was specifically designed to address this issue. The thermal scope lets users to concentrate on the things that matter without a lot of effort, and keep things as easy as you can. It can detect body heat from animals by detecting fog or crop heat and doesn't require visible light to provide sharp images. The possibility of swapping scopes between rifles can be achieved through perfectly fitting 30mm rings which will hold 0 when being transferred. Attach quickly and take pleasure in. It's lighter than a standard scope which makes you feel more agile as well as keep the rifle will be more stable. It's the little things that can make a difference while you hunt all at night. Finding your scope's target has never been simpler. With just one shot, all you need to do is shift the zero reticle towards the point where you first hit. That's it. The batteries are at the heel for any scope that uses thermal energy, but not this one. The THORLT battery, the runtime is at least 10 hours of continuous usage.